we need to have a battle. Look at my yard, it's big. Woo! Oh, I gotta load it. Oh man, yeah. One more. It's awesome, right? One more. It's automatic. Oh, wow, one more. Oh man. This is my right one. It's automatic. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go. It's quiet. My little guy is waiting. My boy! I'm ready! I got a surprise. I thought you're ready. Really? You're not? Okay.
I'm ready now.
I'm gonna load it up again. Okay? That's automatic, right? Super
okay.
easy.
Hey, I got that.
Whew, super easy. Whew. I'm ready, boy.
What?
I'm ready. Whew.
Okay.
Oh! No way! That's a cut! Look at that, I gotta shoot him. Oh. Come on, Josh! Huh? What? What? Almost. What? What? Oh, I'm sorry, son.
What's wrong with my
I
gun?
don't know. You're giving me more bullets than
No, it's my gun.
I have lots of what do you call that?
Ammo.
Ammunition?
Ammo.
Ammo? Ammunition. Good. Ammo. Woo. I'm ready.
What is happening with my gun? Ow. That missed,
I'm sorry.
that missed me a lot.
What?
I'm checking on this. Yeah.
Oh man, exchange. This is yours.
Huh?
This is yours.
Fine.
Okay.
Get your new gun. Get
Sure.
your new gun. Wait, Dad,
We're gonna get you.
you
They're
don't.
not really ready yet.
Hey guys, look at that. I have a nice one.
That actually hurts. Don't get that one. Don't get that one either.
What is this? Oh,
Dad.
woo. Is this from Taiwan? No, not that one.
Well, yeah, there's
Which one is from Taiwan?
that one.
Oh man,
That one or this one? Wait, Dad, use this one.
what's that one?
You can add stuff to it. Here. Take this. You can add it.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it from Taiwan, sir?
Oh,
10 lots of money.
here, add this. No, I know. Oh, wait. Put this right.
You know what, guys? We had a trouble here. This gun into immigration in China. They thought it's a real one, and then my little guy was scared
Here, Dad. There.
because he likes it.
And then,
So what I did, I showed it to the immigration officer how to remove everything, and said, no, there's nothing on it. There's nothing. I'll show it every corner, every hole from that gun.
Daddy, why didn't you?
And then we put that one in a separate bag. And-
I remember that.
you remember that?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh man. You have lots.
Dad, you have to use this. It's big. See,
Huh?
it's big.
Oh, I know.
I'll show you how you to use it. So you put like a bullet. Dad, you put
Okay, shout out to those guns lover.
Dad,
You have lots here, okay?
don't use that one.
My little guy's growing, so boom. My little guy is going. This one is from China too.
No,
It's from China?
this one.
Huh?
Dad, look. So this is how you work this one. So you put the bullet in here.
Nice.
Water.
I'm going to challenge you today, okay? This is my, I don't know what they call this. But I'm gonna show you dito. Super. Then super, I have a second one. If I'm out of bullet, and then I can see you. I can see your face there. It's very little. So yeah, lots of function of this guy. Whew. I have another gun, and this guy, and I play. I love it. I want to build my
Oh, that's right.
giant tank.
Oh.
Gosh, you almost didn't get this from China, right?
Yeah.
Because the immigration doesn't like it to bring any toy gun,
Any gun.
any gun, with the plastic. But I told them this is only plastic one. So they, what they did,
Did you like?
they hold me on the immigration and then open the box and then put in a different one. So they let me to remove every single part of this gun, and they're satisfied. After that,
Dad, I think
when
you're
they're
gonna.
satisfied, and then they let me.
Dad, I think that's back. Like on backwards.
Huh?
Like on.
Come.
No.
Here's a right.
This one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I did the wrong one. Okay, that's right. That's right. Woo. Look at that.
Look how big this is. I don't even need a cat.
I'm done with that one. And I have another one. Woo. There's another guy. 3 bullets on the gun. Oh, shoot the camera, man. Shoot the camera. Okay. And I have this one too. What? And this guy. Is this electric?
Oh, yeah, that's laser
Is it battery? Battery operated?
No, it's just laser tag.
Oh, laser.
It's just laser.
What? Oh, I have one more attachment here. Oh, look at that, guys. Super. It's a massive gun. It's a massive gun. I don't know if you can see that one in the store. This guy is from Taiwan, China. When we been there last couple years ago.
That wasn't.
No,
That's.
year before last year.
Yeah. No,
The
that
year
was,
before 2020.
no, that was 2017.
No,
Yeah.
2019, buddy.
No.
And then-
This.
Oh, okay. No, I'm talking about this guy.
Yeah, but this is
Fancy one.
2017.
Oh man.
We
4 bullets that you can put in. How about this guy? Laser. And this guy. And this guy. And this guy.
Oh, don't forget about this.
And this guy.
And these guys.
Oh man.
Someone gave that to us.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is the old model of, I don't know, this is bazooka.
And then
What? Does it have blocks there? Okay. Oh.
more bullets.
This one is very powerful.
Yeah, that's why you should never use it.
What? Where's the bullet? Oh man,
That's why you should always use my gun.
I feel it. What? Yeah.
Ow!
You have more? You have more over there?
Those are just random stuff. Let me see if I
Okay, guys, if you want some of this, you know,
Oh, wait.
these are all slightly used. He doesn't play more often.
Dad, I got more.
Huh?
I got more.
And he's growing up now. What?
We got that from the Philippines.
From the Philippines? Hey, look at guys. Look at the toy from the Philippines. Is it from Toys R Us in the Philippines?
There's no Toys R Us in the Philippines.
No, is that Toys R Us there?
No, it's not. It's not called Toys R Us.
Oh, okay.
No Toys R Us in the Philippines.
Okay, but there's Toys R Us in China, Taiwan.
Yeah.
What?
And
Look at that. Look at that. It seems like airplane or I don't know, butike, like a butike or toko. That's what we got from the Philippines. Woo, fancy. Fun. What? One more. Look at that. We have what? Man, you have lots. What? More? Yes, there you go. These guys, we got this in 7-Eleven. In a high-speed train station in China.
Yeah.
From 7-Eleven. It's very.
Oh, and we got this at McDonald's.
Huh?
We got this at McDonald's. It actually works.
McDonald's in?
I don't know.
In Taiwan?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Really? NERF?
No, it's not in Taiwan.
Maybe McDonald's in Canada. Not sure.
Well, we can go there for that.
Oh wow, no way.
I can't find the
What is this? How about this one? And then he made his
Lego gun.
Lego gun. Look at that. It's
And we
fancy.
also have a baby. I found this random baby.
Baby, what's the baby?
I found a random baby.
Hey guys. Just let us know, okay? If anybody wants this. These are all good to go.
Dad,
If you want.
Dad, I think I lost the baby.
Huh?
The baby's gone. I threw him down so hard that
Oh no.
he's dead. Oh my God, we have another gun.
And then look at these guys. And look at these guys.
No,
I
wait, Dad,
found-
wait, Dad, there's another gun. There's another gun.
Huh?
Up there.
Saan?
Up there. It's up there.
What?
Don't look at him.
Hey, hello, jump! Jump, you step on the metal there. Good. Yeah. Got it? Oh man. You have lots. You have...
This is one of the powerful guns.
Oh man.
Adventure Force.
Adventure! Wow, different brand, huh? You guys,
Dad, you
look
want
at
this
that.
gun?
Look
No,
at
we
that.
don't. Wait, Dad, we should separate the guns that hurt so much.
Huh?
Wait, let's separate the guns that hurt so much, and then separate the guns that don't hurt so much.
Oh, I'm sorry guys. We have a massive gun over here.
We have so many guns.
It seems like you want to be a policeman, man. Are you? Are you maybe, eh?
Oh, wait.
Or maybe cop go.
I found something.
Maybe cop go in the Philippines, huh?
Yeah, I found something. You might want to step away because,
What? What you cool down, man?
like,
Huh?
watch it. Wow!
What?
Wow!
Don't scare them, buddy. Woo. And look at that. Bubbles. Bubble gun.
Wait, oh, and look at this. Look at
And
this.
another bubble gun from the Philippines. Is it from the Philippines?
No, that's not water.
Huh?
It's not from the Philippines.
No, you get a water gun from the Philippines.
That's not a water one. No, we gave them.
Oh, you bili down to in the palengke.
And look at these guns. Look at this one. So someone gave this one to.
Is that from the Philippines?
No.
Oh, look at the products in the Philippines. Look at guys. This is from the Philippines. Woo,
Ow!
fancy.
Oh, and I remembered there was bubble gum in here.
Is it from the Philippines too?
No. That's from
Oh, look at that. Made in the Philippines.
Yeah. Chug this. Ow. Wait, maybe
What
this. Wait, I know there's more guns, but I know there's more guns here. I have too many guns.
Oh, give it away, man.
Ugh,
Give it away.
no.
Give it away. You're grown up, man.
What?
Hey, look at that. You have a lagari too, huh? It is a chainsaw?
How long that even is? What is this?
Huh?
Wait, let me see what this is. Oh, it goes this way. Oh,
What's
this
that?
is acting.
Oh, that's girl thing. No. Close it. No, we don't need to open that. Oh, that's girls. Girls thing.
I actually opened it one time and then Aggie told me what this is. And when she told me, I was like, so confused.
Woo. Okay, guys. Thank you. Okay, just let us know if you want some of these, okay?
We didn't even show them.
Huh?
We didn't even have to battle.
Good?
We need a battle.
Okay, show your big gun. Oh, man. Where did you get it?
From Christmas. Last
Oh.
Christmas.
Last Christmas, I got my own. Huh?
2021.
Not you, man. You know what the immigration told me? The immigration officer? Okay. Before you can bring that one out,
Let me go check.
you should check everything and show it to me if there's nothing in there. I
Wait,
said, sure, one. And then another parts. I said that
Why
one.
are there Lego
It's
pieces?
nothing in
Why are
there.
there Lego pieces?
Oh no, what I did, I put some chocolate inside.
Oh, no, that's gummies.
These gummies, yeah.
A burger.
I put some gummies inside
Burger
instead.
gummies.
That's why they are kind of,
Confused.
I know, right? They are confused. They say, what's going on? What's in there?
Maybe there's more gummies.
Oh man, look at that. I put some gummies inside.
Hey,
What else?
make money.
What? Is this money in the Philippines?
Oh, that's great.
Oh wow.
Hey, Gummy.
Okay guys, if you want some money, it's very little.
What else is in here?
What else?
Oh, good.
Nah, not that one.
Yeah.
That's next time.
That's not already.
Next time. No, no.
Oh,
You brought it to the Philippines. You give it to your cousins over there. No, you give them the smallest guns. All the small. What?
No, it's not actually a bomb. I'll tell you what's different.
That's a book. Maybe that's a book.
It's not.
Oh wow. Okay guys, maybe we can finish this and then let's play the
This is how it works. So you put like a bean or something, like or a marble, and then what? It's sort of this.
Okay.
Yeah. Put like a bean on a marble.
Uh-huh.
It
And
comes.
then?
It comes with a bean, and then you like. Yeah, you like
Ah.
try to catch it, and you have to like throw it in the air and try to catch it like this. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
See? And you can also make it as a bomb.
Okay guys.
We need a bomb. Wait, let's use this as a bomb. That's
Hey.
my gun. I'm gonna use this. The battle. Hey, look. I lost Dad. Dad,
Sorry, there's a trouble. Two. How many battery inside in this? Huh? How many?
Battery thing is hiding.
Where's that?
I forgot what it was.
Oh man.
It's not low battery.
I know it's big one. The D. D-bar.
Hey, Dad, I don't know what this does, but I think I have to throw it. Dad, I don't know what this does, but I think I have to throw it.
Oh,
It's a bomb.
really?
It's my bomb that I invented. Look at all of this. Let's see what else I can throw.
How about the bala? Can you bring some bala here?
Oh, I found it.
The almond? Almond, you said?
I found the silencer.
Is it ammunition? Oh, there's one more.
Oh, wait. Oh,
What?
wait. I know. Wait, there's another gun.
Is this silencer? Oh, wow. Look at that. It's very fancy. It's very fancy.
FBI, open up.
Oh,
FBI, open up.
what? No way.
Oh, this is the, where's the silencer?
This is silencer.
No, that's the silencer. It can fit on that gun, but it's actually for this gun.
Really? All the Nerf gun are fit each other, right?
No, not something.
Really?
Here, this is the silencer.
But I never seen this guy from, I never seen this in Canada. This is from China.
This is from a movie or show.
What?
I can't tell it because I know it's from a movie.
What?
From Marvel or Avengers. Oh hey Dad, I found pliers to pull out my teeth.
This one is very...
Oh, this is.
Josh, how can I change this? Oh, just to release, right? Okay. Okay.
Look, I found Mario. I'll just like.
Okay. If
Dad,
you want to load
Dad,
some...
I found Mario. I'll just play Super Mario Odyssey like this morning.
And this one, how can you put the... Oh, okay. Then you have to put the bullets
Oh, and
inside.
look at this water gun. This is the weirdest water gun you've seen, but
Okay, put it back. Bang, and then shoot you.
Dad, this is the weirdest water gun you ever seen.
What?
But it's from Pokemon, and watch this. So you like pull this. So you like go and put this in the water, and then you pull this
Uh-huh.
while it's in the water, and then you take it out of the water, and then you can shoot it out.
Like speeding.
Yeah, it's like spinning.
Speeding your saliva.
Wait, let me get all the bala.
Oh, the bala? What is bala then?
I don't know, but
You said almond? Huh?
ammo.
Ammo. Okay, ammo. Sorry, it's ammo. It's called ammo. Let's put some ammo inside, okay? One ammo. One ammo. Give me some ammo, buddy.
Why is it raining?
Give me some ammo. Oh, I found the biggest ammo in the world. Look at that. Okay, guys, I found the biggest ammo in the world. Woo. This one is fit for this guy, okay?
Why is there so much ammo?
Woo, look at that.
Ugh.
This is the ammo, biggest ammo. Boom. What? I got lots. I got lots of ammo.
We have to prepare
Ammo.
for the battle. Dad, we have to prepare for the battle. Why not the battle?
Okay, we're preparing for the battle.
Wait, everyone needs this. Ugh. I know I had a crossbow.
Okay, guys, my little guy is
Oh, I remember.
planning to be a policeman in the future.
I remembered that I had like a bow.
You wanna be a policeman in the future, okay?
That's why I'm preparing.
You're preparing?
We need to prepare.
No.
Hey, and look at this. Hey. Hey.
Oh, wow.
I'm your number one. I'm your number one fan. I'm your number one fan. Oh, bam, bam. We need that.
What? Number one fan. Fan. Ammo. It's called ammo.
Not the baby. I got
Ah.
the baby back.
Baby?
I got the baby.
What?
Okay, now what do we do with all
Okay, I'm gonna load this. Load it up. Load it up, baby. Load it up.
I wanna dance with
Load it
somebody.
up. Load it up.
Somebody that knows me.
Oh, no way. It's a good thing, huh? You know how to sing, man. I like it. I like it. You know how to sing. Okay. Two are ready. Another one is ready. Okay, guys.
What? This is
The biggest one that we got here.
What? What is all this stuff doing
This
here?
one.
Hey,
And
it's
then,
another lightsaber.
and then this one is called, what do you call this?
Another lightsaber. What? Wait, how does this lightsaber work so good now? These do not work so good.
The biggest ammo. Okay, I'm gonna load it this way. Okay. Okay, guys.
We need to prepare for battle. There's zombies outside trying to get us.
Zombie.
They're trying to eat our heads.
What?
But they want brains.
What?
Quick, get prepared.
There.
I'm like, look at this. I found a ball.
Oh, I think got her own.
Yeah, she got her own. This is, wait, where's mine?
That's the bullet for Alice, right?
No, she has a green one. This is for mine.
Really? Oh, that's for that one. Okay. Okay, and then I can put 4 on this guy. 1, 2,
I forgot how you.
3, 4.
Oh.
Woo. Load it up. Load it up, baby. Oh, this one from China. Oh, the best. The best. From 7-Eleven in China. Right, Josh? This one? Woo. Very powerful one. Huh? What are you doing?
I can't shoot or pull.
What?
Pull it. You're supposed to pull it. You're supposed to pull it.
Which one? Oh, okay, got it. There we go.
What?
And
Did
then,
it come out?
yeah,
Wait, did it
there
come?
we go.
What? It's still here.
Huh?
Why is it still here?
Put more.
Okay.
Put more.
The rest of
The bullet on this one is a round one, okay?
yeah, but we're not using it. We're not. Oh. Oh. Oh, Dad, this is the actual bomb.
Huh?
It shoots out everything. Wait, I got the bullets. Look at all the bullets.
Flash combat. Oh, what is this? Fortnite? Josh, come here.
I'm trying to load up this
Sure.
bomb. Wait, it's a gun. It's a gun.
Huh?
Watch. I'll show you.
What are you doing?
I'm right here.
Where are you?
Go.
Load it up.
Load it up, baby. Oh, that's all.
Load it up. Load it up.
It's a gun, I told you. It's a spitter.
Spinner? Don't spin it.
It spits at you. I want the tooth. Oh, guys, don't forget to follow me on TikTok.
What?
I have a TikTok account now.
No way.
Follow me on TikTok, please.
Really?
Please follow me.
Did you dance?
No.
Did you dance there? Or what?
Stop trying to spoil it.
What? Why?
I think my head out. My head cracked.
Huh?
I hear the crack.
You hear the crack? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. It's loaded up.
I'm trying to shoot you.
Okay, guys. Okay, we're getting ready because we have a battle today.
Wait, wanna go check Ursula's arms? Oh no, you're like a mile away.
Mile away.
They're 1 mile
It's okay, we're ready.
They're gonna kill. There's 10 seconds they're here. Shut the door. Dad, are you even ready?
Yeah.
Okay. My bomb is ready. Let me get my bomb ready.
Huh?
My bomb has to be ready.
Bomb.
Bomb.
It's otot.
It's not the bomb.
It's otot.
Watch this. There's 1 million zombies out there. Like this.
Doing.
That only killed 2 zombies.
Zombie?
Yeah. That's 2 zombies.
Don't scare him, man. Don't scare him.
There's 2.
Let's invite zombie to play basketball.
No, they're gonna eat us.
Oh.
There's 1,000 zombies and I only
Poor guy.
But there's 100 zombies out there.
Poor guy.
The rest of the zombies are at our base trying to think what.
Look at the zombie. Zombie is gonna.
Dad, do you want me to?
Look at that. Boom.
What the?
Look at that, guys. He's hiding there. The zombie is coming. Look at that, the zombie. The zombie found the gun. Boom. The zombie found the gun. Oh, the gun. Boom. The zombie found the gun, buddy. Boom. The zombie found the gun.
Dad. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Always remember.